Hey everybody, this is Mo in Memphis, Tennessee with 901 Sounds. Today we finished working on a 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Our customer wanted to mirror his phone into the factory stereo and unlock it. So what we were able to do was we were able to install a wireless network hub in here made by NavTool that allows us to go in and mirror everything to your factory radio, of course, that you're doing off your phone, if you can tell. Your phone has to be compatible for Smart View compatibility, but you can kind of see what's going on, and you kind of get an idea of what you can do. The sky's the limit, though, with an application like this. You can run all your video sources. You can run Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, DirecTV, ESPN, all your apps off the actual radio. Pretty cool, though. I mean, it comes handy. Plus, you can listen to the surround sound through your factory radio, too. And the cool thing about this is it's all wireless for Android users. Apple users have a way to do it, but you're going to have a hardwire cable. And there's a couple of things we could do to create a wireless network for Apple, but it doesn't work as efficient as the Android user phones do. If you're in the Memphis market, please give us a call. This is Mo in Memphis, Tennessee with 901 Sounds. Thanks for watching.